Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section called Sound and Vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this section where you can change the ringtone for calls, notifications and the alarms. Let's tap on this kind of first option, phone ringtone, and here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got custom ringtones, so basically you will be transferred to your own files. If you've got any, for example, downloaded, you will be able to set them as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, whatever, and let me volume it down. So basically this is how you can check whether you like the ringtones or not, and if you decide that you want to set this particular ringtone, so for example this one, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.